Make a great choice today with 2012 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.